Sailner, as a high-tech enterprise under the same technology group, never stops advancing in additive manufacturing. In 2025, our product lineup covers full-color 3D printers, UV printers, full-body 3D figurine scanners, and FDM filaments, each designed to turn creative ideas into tangible value. Let's take a closer look at the Sailner equipment family. Designed for industrial use, the J402 Plus is powered by self-developed WJP technology, which supports full-color, multi-material 3D printing and covers 96% of Japanese color gamuts. With a platform size of 500, 400, 310 micrometer, the J402 Plus offers more possibilities across various applications, including 3D realistic figurines, 3C products, 3D fabric printing, cultural relic replicas, and medical models, and more. To meet more consumer needs, Sailner provides a desktop full-color 3D printer with a compact size of 46010 120 micrometer. It is ideal for studio small batch production, educational projects, and DIY endeavors. As a leading 3D printing supplier in China, Sailner is the preferred choice for most 3D portrait brands. These full-color printers pairs perfectly with our full-body 3D figurine scanners, which capture a person's complete shape and texture from every angle, transforming them into a realistic digital 3D model, rather than just a flat photo. Our rotary scanner is easy to operate and requires only 9 square meters of space. Its foldable and movable design allows it to adapt flexibly to various scenarios. Unlike similar products on the market that take 10 to 15 seconds, the Sailner SU7B4 completes scanning in just 5 seconds. If you need to scan large skirts, multiple people, or subjects in complex postures, the Matrix scanner may be your better choice. It offers a larger scanning space and a shorter scanning process. It only takes less than 1 second, along with more cameras and superior performance in capturing facial expressions. Sailner has launched a new desktop UV printer that bridges the gap between industrial-grade equipment and small-scale desktop printers. The A3 is equipped with an A3-sized metal adsorption platform for printing. It can print on flat surfaces of various materials, such as paper, PVC, acrylic, metal plates, wood, DTF, Canva, phone cases, and glasses, making it suitable for a wide range of application scenarios. It is perfect for starting a small home-based business. Additionally, it supports cylinder printing, allowing you to customize tumblers, mugs, and more. To meet more professional flatbed printing needs, such as advertising boards and other large format or large-scale printing tasks, the SUV2513 offers a maximum printing size of 2.5 by 1.22 meter. It is equipped with high-precision industrial-grade nozzles, and optional additional nozzles can be added for more efficient printing, enabling faster creation of 3D embossed effects. Our FDM PLA filament is a premium, eco-friendly material made from plant-based polylactic acid and compliant with environmental standards. Designed to pair seamlessly with most FDM 3D printers, it suits beginners, educators, and sustainability-focused users. We offer diverse colors to meet creative and functional needs. From the precise output of industrial-grade full-color 3D printers and flexible adaptability of desktop devices, to full-body 3D scanners that capture data in just seconds, UV printers covering multiple scenarios, and high-quality FDM filaments that support smooth 3D printing, Sailner has built a diverse product matrix with core technology, making it easy to turn creativity into reality. As our slogan goes, create it, print it, own it. One machine, endless possibilities. If you are looking for suitable smart manufacturing tools, follow Sailner's official platforms for more equipment cases, technical insights, and customized solutions. We invite you to join us in unlocking more imagination to reality possibilities in the future. All Sailner products also support OEM customization. If interested, please contact us via the official email listed in the comments.